first of all, before we start, I want to just introduce to yourself who I am. I am Te Kurahuia, the bad mana wahine. And if you don't know me, well, you can look me up. Oh, I got some whānau over there. Kia ora, kia ora. Well, now you know who I am. I am of Ngaitara, he uri tēnei o Ngaitara. I am of the first peoples who lived here in Te Whanganui a Tara. Yeah. Without further ado, let's get into it, eh? Apologies for all the technicalities, but you just kind of have to go through it. So thank you so much for being patient, e Huama. Let me get this info for you. All right, the next artist coming up. First of all, we want to thank our sponsor, Neiranga Mihi, mai o hā te kia koutou te māngai pāho for your support of Ngā Toi o Te Aro stage. Without your support, well, we wouldn't be here, and you certainly would not have the bad mana wahine on this stage, I'll tell you that. Kia ora. Without further ado, I want to introduce you to our next artist, who is one of the country's most exciting artists. Her debut EP, Always Growing, hit the top 10 radio airplay in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and achieved platinum accreditation in South Korea. Whoa! This one was like, you don't have to read the whole thing. E kia kia. Are you sure? It's probably got some mana in there. So let me finish it, eh? She earned 4 nominations at the Aotearoa Music Awards and won Best Māori Female Solo Artist at the Waita Māori Music Awards. Oh, hey, e takutua, can I look up to you? I'm going to be the next one who gets that award too. Without further ado, let's give a big round of applause for Paige!
Kia ora. We apologise for that technical difficulty, but we're here now. I'm so grateful to be here, and I can't wait to sing my songs for you guys. My eyes are hollow, empty and they're gone, that's hard to swallow. For you, my heart is still here, 'cause I care about the friend I made 6 years ago. Can I love you? 'Cause I don't wanna see you broken. Say don't let her go, and it breaks your soul. Could I make it better if I changed the weather? I'm not sure I could, and I'm so sorry that I let you down and let myself down too. You knew that I loved you. Situations change, which I didn't promise. Things I couldn't make. If I'm being honest, I thought that I would stay forever. I thought that I could treat you better. So can I hold you one more time? 'Cause I'm about to say goodbye. Could I make it better if I change the weather? I'm not sure I could, and I'm so sorry that I let you down and let myself down too. Could I make it better if I change the weather? I'm not sure I could. So sorry that I let you down and let myself down too. I wish that I could say that I'm always gonna stay. Could I make it better if I change the weather? I'm not sure so sorry that I let you down and let myself down too. Could I make it better if I changed the weather? I'm sure I could. I'm sure that I could. And I'm so sorry that I let you down and let myself down too. I hope you knew that I loved you. Thank you. Stop it instead. Too much in my 20s. Went to thin air. I never let me chill, 'cause the pressure was a heart attack. Never lived in the moment and I want it back. Welly. Thank you so much. Thanks for sitting down and being with me today. Feel free to stand as well. My name is Paige. I'm so grateful to be here. I haven't played in Wellington in like 2 years, so it feels really nice to be back. Apologies for like the technical things going around. We'll be figuring it out as we go. But who cares, because we're playing music in Poneke, and that's what matters. This next one is a song that me and my lovely friend Josh wrote together. This is called Miles Away. Grab your lover. Grab your lover. I don't want to spend the night. I just want to stay with you. See you underneath the light, yeah. Sitting face to face with you. Words have been enough. We don't even need a touch. We don't have to show it off. I'll keep you close to me. You could be miles away. I'll keep you close to me. Your spirit and love, I feel so in touch from miles away. I don't have to doubt it. kiss me if you want. I won't wait for it. Feels like we got superpowers. Lift your heavy heart, I don't have to strain for it. But I would if you needed me to. Words have been enough. We don't even need a touch. We don't have to show it off. Oh, I'll keep you close to me. You could be miles away. I'll keep you close to me. Your spirit and love, I feel so in touch from miles away. I'll keep you close to me. You could be miles away. I'll keep you close to me. Your spirit and love, I feel so in touch from miles away. Kia ora. Thank you. This is my first time at Cuba Duper. And I really had to like restrain myself from drinking too many beers before I got on and did this, because like it's a time out there. And I was telling Josh before, I was like, man, I can't wait to like play my set so then I can go and watch everyone else. It's been so fun. Everyone in Wellington is like a lot cooler than, dare I say, a lot cooler than people in Tamaki. I'm a person from Tamaki, so I know, everyone here, I'm like, damn, she's the blueprint, everyone's like so cool. This next song is, it's called California. I wrote this during COVID. Kind of like, my dream is to be playing stages around the world. And I think that's a really hard thing to admit, being from Aotearoa. We like to be quiet about our dreams and quite, shy about it. But I think this song was important for me to write because I want other people to be talking about their dreams as well and believing in themselves as well. So this is called California. I thought I'd be there by now. I'm 24, still in my parents' house. I thought I could make it out of a city where nothing comes around. That's Auckland. And I guess I'm still depressed. Doesn't matter how good it gets, it doesn't go away. I've got myself to blame. And how high is the climb? And the stars, do they align with my cloudy brain? Got myself to blame. What's it like in California? Is it pretty? I always wonder. Or is it shitty? Like people say. Doesn't matter, 'cause I wanna make it in LA. I thought I'd be good enough. I've got the words to fill the pages up. But where's the line? Where's the time when you're nearly 25? Am I getting where I'm supposed to get? And yes, I'm still depressed. But what do you expect when the world is slowed and there's no room to grow? But how high is the climb to sunset and vine? It's cold in the shade. I gotta get away. What's it like in California? Is it pretty? I always wonder. Or is it shitty? Like people say, it doesn't matter, 'cause I I want you to get down on this next one. You can stand if you want, you can sit if you want. Whatever's comfortable for you, you know? This is about you, not me.
This time, yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, there's something about you just feels right. Yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Aquarian.
Aquarian, I'm curious about you. Hey, I wanna know, how do you work around it? I'm underwater, trying to pretend I'm floating. Tell me, how are you flying? What is it like way up there? Let's get it.
This time, yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, something about you just feels right. Yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. This time, yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, something about you just feels right. Yeah, I wanna know what it feels like.
Maybe I could work on my sanity. I could be the one with the money tree, babe. And I know everything, and it's so easy to be like me, to be like me. Whoa, I'm underwater, trying to pretend I'm floating. Tell me, how are you flying? What is it like way up there?
This time, yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, something about you just feels right. Yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. This time, yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, something about you just feels right. Yeah, I wanna know what it feels like.
I see the hoodie. I see that hoodie too. Buy it at the merch store.
This time, yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, there's something about you just feels right. Yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Aquarian. This time, yeah, I wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, something about you just feels right. Yeah, I wanna know what it feels like.
I wanna know what it something about you. I wanna know what it feels like. That's the biggest joke of them all. I just saw a picture fall off the wall. Is there an earthquake? I see it. Meant to be. I'm seeing all the signs, taking my car for a drive. Hope I don't die on the way to your place, 'cause I'm angry.
Do you not love me?
Do you not care if I'm not there when you go away?
Why don't you ask me?
How I've been, how I'm doing, and if I'm feeling okay.
I'm so sorry.
If I act up, I'm not tough, I'm a hurricane. I'm the one to blame.
I'll just go round and round this carousel. Don't let me down. I'll just go round and round. Don't let me down. Carousel. I'll just go round and round this carousel.
Don't let me down.
I'll just go round and round. Don't let me down. Carousel.
I know that I feel too much. Always wanna feel your touch. Pick me up to put me down. Don't take a bow, 'cause I'm a clown that they laugh
fat. Yeah, they happy and I'm so sad. Too bad for me, too much energy in the small things, and then I push them away. Push them away with all my notes.
Yeah.
Do you not love me? Do you not care if I'm not there when you go away? Why don't you ask me how I've been home doing it, if I'm feeling okay? I'm so sorry if I act up, I'm not tough, I'm a hurricane. I'm the one to blame. I just go round and round this carousel, don't let me down. I just go round and round, don't let me down. Carousel, I just go round and round this carousel, don't let me down. I just go round and round, don't let me down. Carousel, round and round, carousel, don't let me down, down,
I just want to say, you guys show up to everything I do in Welly, and I'm just like so grateful. And I wish I bought certificates for you both to share with the crowd. You know, I'll bring one next time. I actually promise, if that's all right. What's my Spotify? Oh, Paige. Everyone look me up, please, okay? I need to make the dollars, all right? The fuel prices they're going up, and, you know, it's getting expensive out there. Yeah, my name is Paige, for those of you who don't know who I am, and I love to sing, and that's all I've ever wanted to do, and I've kind of made myself kind of dedicate my life to like my inner child and my inner child's dreams, and I think when you do that, you have a happy life. So I'm just gonna be a pop star, whether the world knows it or not. That's fine. This one is called "Why Do We Want to Be in Love." I hope you love it. It's a breakup song, actually. So I hope that, you know, those of you who are in love don't relate to this. And then those who are heartbroken, you know, I hope you'll be okay. You know, it is hard. This is Why Do We Want to Be in Love.
trying to be patient with my heart. If it was a little more logical, it'd be fun. This shit's invasive, ain't flowers and vases. The good feelings aren't always reciprocated. Yeah, love kinda sucks. It hits you, then it runs. So why do we wanna be in love? We had summer love, had soda poppin'. Sun was up in a west apartment, so hot that we'd have to block it with old t-shirts and cuts of carpet. Loved you to the moon and back again. You leaving me wasn't part of the plan, I guess. Love kinda sucks. It hits you, then it runs. Yeah. So why do we wanna be in love? Yeah, it's not that fun. It hits you,
Thank you. I planned to do a song that was a little bit inappropriate for the young ones in the crowd, so we're gonna skip that one. But like, it's called Bitch Boy, and it's a bit derogatory, so we'll keep it PG. But maybe this is an excuse, you know, to look it up on Spotify or Apple Music or YouTube Music, you know, those pay better. Oh gosh, I'm too comfortable with you guys. You make me too comfortable. You make me feel like myself. Haven't felt that in a long time. This is called Bloom.
Stolen, make me wanna grow in your emotion. I wanna be in paradise. I gotta stay in my roots till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. My favorite color is your silhouette, but it's hard to see you through the black. It could be purple, gold in the edge. And I'm a sucker for a new cassette. It only plays back in my head. Every thought of you starts to be as we're getting closer. Can we see someplace we don't ever want to leave? Or are we just meant to be? Stolen, make me wanna grow in your emotion. I wanna be in paradise. I gotta stay in my roots till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. Stolen, make me wanna grow in your emotion. I wanna be in paradise. I gotta stay in my roots till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. Keep independent like a young lilac. I got all of the sun on my head. Overgrow into your flower bed. And I'm not perfect, but I try my best. But I can't stop it now, and I'll always be finding a way. We're getting closer, can we see someplace we don't ever want to leave? Get down, are we just meant to be? Stolen, make me wanna grow in your emotion. I wanna be in paradise. I gotta stay in my roots till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. Stolen, make me wanna grow in your emotion. I wanna be in paradise. I gotta stay in my roots till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. Throw it all away for your touch, 'cause I'm loving you a little too much. Stuck between a rock at the end. It's hard to let you under my skin. Throw it all away for your touch, 'cause I'm loving you a little too much. Stuck between a rock at the end. It's hard to let you in. Are we just meant to be stolen? Make me wanna grow in your emotion. I wanna be in paradise. I gotta stay in my roots till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. Stolen, make me wanna grow in your emotion. I wanna be in paradise. I gotta stay in my roots till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. Till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom. Till I bloom, till I bloom, till I bloom.
Woo, woo, woo! Yeah. Let's go. Give a big round of applause for Paige. Kia ora mai tato. Honestly, I think you can give a bigger round of applause for Paige. Woo! Woo! Kia ora mai tato. Wow. They reckon another one. Is my boss at the back? Oh, yeah! Come on.
That wasn't planned, actually.
Te whanganui Aotearoa loves you.
Hold on, I need to strap on.
Well, while she straps... oh, wait, pause! While she straps on, whānau, you know, just for you, because you asked for it. Hey, whānau. Well, I guess... All right, whānau, because you've asked for an encore, I think it calls for you to all stand up and kani for the next waiata, eh? You want to enjoy Paige? You better enjoy Paige, because she's strapping it on for you. Kia kaha tata, let's go Paige!
I promise I thought we were supposed to rap. This one is called Waves. In my head there's a voice in this silence, and I can't understand why I fight it. 'Cause I've been running around for days, hoping that you feel the same. I just hope that you know I'm still trying to be honest with you, singing honest with myself. No, I'll tell the truth. What? These feelings come in waves. I know I've got some things I need to change to be better. Yeah, they come in waves. I know I've got some things I need to change to be better, a better me. Damn, you kind of know it. That's crazy. Last minute request. Kahina tore aku mahara. E takiri kiri ana inga tau whare wharinga. O te ngaka te taia te aha. Pono kia koe, me pono kia haua no koe nei taku. These feelings come in waves. I know I got some things I need to change to be better. Yeah, they come in waves. I know I got some things I need to change to be better, a better me, a better me. And someday I might try to get up from this fall. Someday maybe I won't be alone. Could you be my star? If you know it, sing this last bit. These feelings come in waves. I know I got some things I need to change to be better. These feelings come in waves. I know I got some things I need to change to be better. Yeah, they come in waves. I know I got some things I need to change to be better, a better me. Thank you so much, Welly. Moneki. I really appreciate your coming to watch. Thank you to the Soundies. Thank you to everyone who's put Cuba Duba together. And I hope to see you drunk on the streets later on.
Yeah! Okay. All right, whānau. Wait, ready? Big round of applause for Paige! Dang, I try to ask you to do another one. But aroha mai whānau, she gotta go. Well, how are we doing? How was that? Was that on? Yeah? I love how you all stood up and had a kani. Ngā mihi atu kia koutou katoa. Thank you so much for doing that, for being a part of the energy, for sending our girl off. And now what? Well, I see that there's still Kai out there. And if you don't have your kids with you, well, there's probably a pub over there too. Cut that out of the video, eh? No jokes. Oh, te taku kahi. Tēnā koe taku kahi manahi. Big shout out to Te Upako, Te Ika Radio Dudes. Another big shout out to Te Māngai Pāho, because without them and without all our whānau here today, we wouldn't be here having an awesome time. Well, if you don't know me, it's the bad mana wahine te kura huia. No, I'm not doing a song, but oh, yes, please. Okay, you got my songs? Okay, we'll try not to do a song that's going to be played later. Oh, spoiler alert. Does our soundy have YouTube by any chance? Because I didn't bring any of my waiata on. No? Yes? Sort of. Okay. Sounds like an a cappella, eh? She a baddie with the sauce. She rep him on the wahine like a boss. She a baddie with the sauce. She rep him on the wahine like a boss. She a bad mana wahine. Bad mana wahine. You a bad mana wahine. Bad mana wahine. I would do the kani, but it's a bit too much for the tamarikis here. I'm Te Kura Huia, if you know what's good for ya. Huia ariki with the wrath of a tanifa. Mori go for shikala, came through jumping time on 100 till I die. Mana wahine forever. Oh, bars. I'm not stalling. Nah, I'm just having a. Well, you know, I can't sit on the pai whānau, so this is my pai. If I had a rākau, ina he rākau tāku, I'd be a kai kōrero on the pai handies. Ooh, elevated stage. Oh, they're treating me. Oh, I think this is a catwalk whānau. Oh, let me just practice, eh? Wait, how would you do it? Is there anyone who could show me how to catwalk? Yeah? No? I see a lot of people standing, just saying. I see a lot of people just letting that hoe go through your makawe, go through your hair majestically. Right, fine, I'll start it for you. And then you're after, right? Yeah? It's not hard, it's just a hikoi. You can't see it now, but I'll give it a try. So I'm going to do the strut. And that's how I walk to Parliament when it comes to protest. Nah, just kidding. I don't wear high heel boots to a protest. I wouldn't last very long. I'd last like 30 minutes. And then I'll need to ask a koe, hey koe, can I sit on your tutu and you can sit on my lap? How about that? 2 in 1, eh? I wonder what they are doing over here. This looks a bit interesting, if you ask me. Does anyone know what we're doing over here? No? You don't have a guess? Oh, I don't know, but I guess we'll figure it out together, te iwi. Does anyone know of any hangi? He hangi ke konei? Ai ko. Wait, hold on. Let me put my Māori scanner on. Scanning. Oh, I see a Māori over there with a kamera. Have you seen any hangi up in here? Kaore he hangi. He kai moana, any seafood? Oh yeah, how much? $20 for one? Oh, should you hear that whānau power and fries somewhere around here, Tiwi? If you have any spare change, I'd love some, please. Ngā mihi, thank you. I'm just going to expect it. And there's probably never going to happen, e pai ana. Well, me kore ake I tērā. Nah, it's all good. I don't need it. I don't need a kai. We don't need a kai, eh, whānau. We're running on adrenaline. We're running on whatever you're on.